Ang klase rito. Dito ka namimili, parang yaman-yaman mo. Oh, ganyan na coffee vanilla, creamer. Si Inday, bibili ng tofu yung wala pang tofu doon na ano?
Ano ka?
Ayun, hindi ba tofu regular tofu yun? Ano yung mga yan? Soybean lang naman yan eh. Firm?
Alright, so
Okay. Pati yung tofu. Ano kaya yung tsura bang baboy nila dito? Butcher. Croissant toast. Damn, 8.99. We have crepe. Crepe, crepe, crepe. Crepe, 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 crepe. Nope. Nacho el Pepe. See what kind of pork they have. Chia seed. Do they have pork? Butcher. No, they don't. $8.99. Wow. Uncooked chicken breast tenders, $9.99. Amo, we give it a try. We have nuggets.
Chicken. Fried ko na lang.
Yung pork berries dun, no? $9 per pound. Yeah. Kasi Eliza. And fish sticks. Crinkle cut fries. $6.99 yung ani. Brioche, yeah. Even the dinner rolls, yun. $13.99. Damn, an expensive place. Look at that.
Malaki naman, ano na,
Yes.
24? Ito ang 20.
Coconut shrimp.
Coconut shrimp yun?
Yeah. We have scallops, white shrimp, sea scallops. We have octopus.
No, I like the red hot dog.
Much better, right? Especially I cut it small. Ang dami mong mangga binili ni Megan doon.
In the burrito, 445.
Is this it?
That's
Oh.
seedless watermelon.
Huh?
Seedless.
I don't like up. I don't like seedless. Here, organic. Uh, it's also seedless. This is cool. What is that? Choppers. Ooh. Look at that, Lisa. Better than Walmart. Ah, what do you think? Get some. Make it our
Is this?
chopper.
Oh.
Ah, go get more. Get all the flavor. Experiment it. Yeah, get all the flavor. Yeah.
I love the citrus.
Put in your bathroom.
I know that
There's more. Is it the same?
Is it for flavor?
Sandalwood, citrus sunshine. What else do you have?
Green.
Regular citrus. That's it, right? That's all they have. Here, you don't have this one. The green? Yeah, I got that. Bergamot. Okay. Get two each. Mom loves citrus. Yeah.
Today.
It's $3 each. That's 360. 5 gallons, so it's $3. How about here? Healthy one, Liza. Skinny popcorn. Salt. Rice crispy. Cheese box. That's very Joseph, right?
You should go to Trader Joe's.
So yung Trader Joe's dito sa may...
Dito rin. Katabi lang. Yung maraming mga fruits and
Very good.
Doon na lang tayo.
Yeah.
Ito. Meron silang mga frozen na ready na yung tapos. Diba?
Yeah.
Yung mga...
Nice, huh?
Hindi, ganun mo. Ganun na pagkago mo. Trader's Joe's.
I know. Don't panic. It's organic. Oh, you can mill it here. Yeah, when you buy it here. How about matcha? Still have matcha? Who drinks that much? Get out of here.
It's always that expensive.
Don't even look at it. Just by looking at it, it's draining me already. You're like, oh, I'm melting. Oh, expensive. It's melting.
Saan mo yung pagbili mo?